Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy, your future boss. You guys already know, follow me on Twitter at your future boss. YOURFUTRBOSS. Alright, today we have a new unboxing. I know we haven't done unboxing in a while, but I'm actually have something for y'all. I might actually put a little B-roll into this video. You guys might see what I'm talking about. So I'm working on this theater setup upstairs in my house, and I just got these in today. So I'm going to put these are in-ceiling speakers. These are by Micca. These are the M-8c. So they're 8-inch woofers, and it has a tweeter. We're going to open it up. We're going to see what's inside. We're going to check it out. Me and you for the first time. Alright, so opening this, let's see how it comes out here. Alright, the whole thing's going to come out. We got a little bag here. It has a couple of sticky tabs. I'm not sure what these are for. Maybe we'll find out a little bit later. Alright. Right here we have a installation guide, probably, maybe, hopefully, because I'm going to need some help installing these. These are a 8-inch woofer. It has a 1-inch tweeter that's actually pivoting. It has a silk dome. So supposedly these are good. Like, I researched a lot of in-ceiling speakers, and I was planning on getting another brand, but the other brand was very expensive. So, I mean, more expensive than these. For speakers, I mean, the expensive ones, you're looking at $200, $250 a pair. Excuse me, not a pair. Each speaker. These run $39.99 on Amazon. So I was like, I'll take the chance, and plus they had like 1,200 reviews, and it was a 4.5 star. I tried to read all the negative ones, and even those were kind of, you know, just people being very extra in their words. Let me see what other specs we have here. So, like I said, 8-inch woofer. We have a 1-inch tweeter. We have crossover. And also the frequency response of 40 hertz to 20 kilohertz. It's 8 ohms impedance, and it handles 100 watts each. So we're looking at 4 of them, which I'm going to install for Atmos speakers. And so I'd need 400 watts to push them at their full capacity, I'm assuming. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the specs. If you guys know, I mean, I'm sure I'm going to get comments. You guys are going to know more about this. Let me know, because I'm learning too, and we're going to see how this goes. Let me pull these out. All right, so we have some foam here that we'll set to the side. And then the speaker. So this is actually the white one. They actually come in black also, but my ceiling is white, or an off-white, so I just went with the ceiling color because I don't want to paint them, but you can paint these. So the grill you can paint, and also the out, and I believe there's a template in the box that allows you to paint these without getting it on the speaker itself. They're in this bag. Inside the bag, let's open it up. It says two-way 8-inch model M-8c from Micca. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure, but Micca is how I'm going to call it. In-ceiling speaker. So, what I did like about this, a couple things that got me on the fence about these. One, this grill here. The grill's not magnetic. I wish it was. It'd be so easy just to let it slap on. This grill's actually embedded into the speaker, so you have to actually pop it out. I believe it comes with a little tool, so I can pull this out so I can install it and everything. But then I push this in so it stays firm. Hopefully, it feels very tight, so I hope there's no any rattling or anything like that, because the grill, that is some sort of metal, maybe aluminum or something like that. I'm not positive. So as you guys can see, the color of the actual woofer, yeah, you guys can see that. It's like a bronze color. Reminds me of another brand speaker that I'm really liking lately. I don't know if they did that on purpose, but hey, yeah, that's what we have here. We have these push connectors. This is gonna make it very easy. All I'm gonna do is push down, put my speaker wire in and let it up, and it automatically bounces back. I'm really excited about that. Makes it very easy for install. I'm tech savvy, but I learn more. So I'm a do-it-yourself guy. I try to do as much myself and try to learn myself, but you never know. It also has these feet here. So what these do is, you can see there's 4 of them. What they do is you turn them inside, so when you mount this into the ceiling, the screws are actually inside of here. So I'll take this speaker grill off to show the screws, and when I start turning the speaker, it'll make these pop out, and what these will do is they will compress onto your drywall, and that's what holds your speaker in place, excuse me. So like I said, I'm really excited to put these in. I have 4 of them. It's probably gonna take me all day to install them because I'm working by myself, but yeah, I'm ready to get these in. Now, another thing that I learned, so I went to the store today, and there's one thing that I didn't think of that I'm going to have to do. A hood or something to cover the speaker. Reason being, so this is going into my ceiling. Inside the ceiling we have obviously the drywall to go into the ceiling, but above we have blowing insulation at my house. So any insulation, if it's just the batted piece, I guess it's not that bad, but pieces of that fiberglass or whatever will get into your speaker. Because obviously this thing's going to be shaking all the time. It's a speaker, it's going to be shaking. You guys have been in a car with some bass before, so you guys know how that is. So if I leave this without nothing on top of it, what's going to happen is all of that stuff is going to start filling in behind the speaker here, which is going to make this fill up and get stuck, and therefore my speaker is not going to work as well as it should because it'll be impeded. It won't be able to move around because of all the insulation stuck in here. So I need to get something to cover here, maybe a box, maybe a dome. They do actually make some sort of speaker boxes. They're kind of expensive for what they are. So I don't know if I can find something else. I'm gonna work on that, finding something to cover this so that the insulation doesn't get inside my speaker, but yet I still get good sound and I don't have any issues with that later on. And I don't want any heating. I don't want it to cover it too much because I want it to be able to play like it's supposed to play. So we're gonna see what happens with this. Anyway, guys, it was your boy, your future boss. This is the Micca M-8c. And I almost forgot. Don't forget, guys, like, subscribe, you know what I mean? Hit that bell notifications. If you guys want to see more of me, that's what you have to do. All right, guys, till next time. Peace.